Morning or afternoon, 1:29 UK time. It's morning for you guys out in New York and California, obviously. What time is it out there? Quick math. It's failing me. 5 hours behind. Is it 7:30? 6:30? 8:30. Yeah, 8:30, I believe. 8:30. Wall Street's about to open. Wait an hour. Okay, glad I got that figured out in my brain. So Dogecoin, yes, doing great, and better than Bitcoin, and better than most things in the market, and kind of what I been anticipating. Maybe some people thought this is the end of Doge, but not me, not me. So I've been really, and as you can see, it's top on my watch list, and doing great. So the low was what, 20 cents? Yep, 20 cents and 7/100ths of a dollar. And where are we at today? We tagged as 618 from this high. 618 from this high. So let's order it. No. Let's minimize the stochastic. But stochastic, I'll come to that in a minute. 618. A challenge of the hold high seems likely, and maybe a break, and kind of tagging this midline of this channel. We've got a clear defined channel. Not 100% accurate, but it's good enough for our purposes, right? You want to just know the general trend. So the general trend, I believe, if Bitcoin can continue its upward march, well, it's not really upward march, it's kind of just basing out. Right, another idea I've been sharing for last week or so, a bit the basing off in a wick off kind of pattern, right? So here we go. Get back to the old high, 74 cents, right? 74 cents. Seems very, very likely because Doge can pump harder and faster than most other coins. That's great. It's great. And where are we ultimately looking at? It's going to be a multi-dollar coin, I do believe. A multi-dollar coin, I do believe. And that will pee off a lot of people, right? How are we doing on the monthly? Sorry for the noise. Yeah, how are we doing on the monthly? So again, another strong candle, right? There's no doji candle action. And here on the weekly, we do have a doji. I'm sorry for it's the Fibonacci, so I'll move this out of the way. Oh, should I move this out of the way for you guys? Okay, I can easily draw it. Sure, why not? Here we go. So great. We've got today, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Where could this end up? How large of the candle could this be? Right? It could be a large one. And here's on the daily. Again, two strong candles in a row. Yesterday was up 11%. Today is up 14%. Excellent stuff indeed. And stochastic. What was really interesting on the stochastic, how it never really got into this bear territory, right? It got to a kind of a oversold condition. We had a divergence, right? So again, not a big fan of indicators, but good to keep an eye on them occasionally. Here we go. This is something I say is not an indicator at all. These bars are the price action, just rearranged in a more useful fashion, right? More useful fashion. So you had a divergence on the top. You could have really got out of your position and kind of been on the sidelines and waiting for it to reconfirm a bull trend, or wait as it moved up this lower channel trend line. So even Dogecoiners, you can be sophisticated investors and traders and make a lot of money on Doge, and that you either can keep a core position in Doge or convert it into more BTC. Dogecoin yesterday, an idea posted. You want more BTC? A way to do it is by doing what the rich guys are doing. I'm long. Are you? Kind of. Shall I click on it? I'm long. Yeah, by the triple ball on the FTX. Lovely again. Lovely action on the Stokes. And I've been posting about Doge for a little while now, but sometimes it comes up in my videos. FTX hex. Okay, you can, if you follow me on TradingView, you can see I've been posting on Doge. And why? Because it's such a great vehicle to make money in. It's such a great vehicle, and I'm late to the party. Late to the party of the Doge. But imagine if Doge is the highest appreciating asset of 2021. It could easily do that. And if it does that, how high can these tokens go? We've already hit, yes, you read that correctly, 230,000 per token. I've got a few of these in my back pocket now. Entry price was 2K, and so experienced a downdraft, but I nibbled a little bit more at 1200, and so now today, where are we at? I believe we hit close to 4,000, right? Okay, $3,288. Not too bad. I mean, isn't that price performance amazing? 1,300, 1,200 to 3,000 something. Not too bad, eh? Not too bad at all. Should we talk about Bitcoin? Nah, not really. I'll do that in a separate video if I feel the need. Litecoin. Let's talk about Litecoin. There's so many other people talking about Bitcoin, so just let them continue. Again, lovely action. Looks like, where is it gonna go to? Interesting on Litecoin, it went deeper than Bitcoin, and it was this has been a savage reaction, right? 413 down to 118. Is that around 75%? Yeah, I believe so. Savagery. And so what I was looking at, and what kind of really spooked me, was breaking down below 142. Is it 142? Yeah, this level here, the 2019 high. This pump here was for the last halving on Litecoin. So amazing that it was basically 2 years ago. So the next halving, only 2 years away. So it could be a great entry point. One of the best entry points for the next few years. Man, wish I had some Litecoin. But it's okay, I'm playing the Doge bull train. I'm playing the Doge bull train for a little while. And maybe we'll take the profits into Litecoin, because I do believe Litecoin will again perform well, better than BTC. Why not? Why not? So yeah, I think I'm going to keep this video short, sub 9 minutes. Yeah, peace. I'm out. Balaji.